Hello everyone and welcome. So today it's just a quick update to let you know that I've decided to move the day that I upload the recipe from Wednesdays to Fridays. Now, if you've been watching for a little while, you'll know that I usually upload a recipe every Wednesday, but in a couple of weeks we've got Christmas Day coming up, which is on a Wednesday, and then obviously following that New Year's Day, also a Wednesday. So to avoid clashing with those 2 days, I've decided to upload the recipes on a Friday. So it just means this Friday coming, instead of today, there will be a new recipe available, and then I'll be doing Fridays over the Christmas period. Now, as you've been watching up to now on a Wednesday, let me know in the comments below what you think. If you think you'd prefer the Friday, or if after Christmas you'd rather I went back to the Wednesday upload. It's up to you really. If nobody is really bothered one way or the other, then I'll probably see how it goes and play it by ear. So that's it really for today. See you in a couple of days' time with a new recipe, and in the meantime, if you like watching this channel, please remember to subscribe and share. It really does help. Okay, see you all Friday.